must be wondering why the Maverick are clapped so this evening. You soon find out. Liverpool drops another couple of points and the Vultures are out again. We slip again and we lose the league and blah, blah, blah. But let me say this. There are 9 games left in the season. That's a possible 27 points. And what is now a 2-horse race? Liverpool trails the big bad Manchester City by 1 point. And we see people criticizing Coach Jurgen Klopp, said the team have played too coward and he should attack more and blah, blah, blah. But the Maverick is here to defend my coach this evening. After setting the world ablaze last season with our heavy metal, high press, fast paced attacking football, and people start jump and shout and say, yes, yes, I saw football for play, saw football for play. As Liverpool lost the league by 20-odd points and ended the season trophyless. This season, Klopp added some pieces and more importantly, he set up the team to be more defensively pragmatic and less carefree and offensively frenetic. And the result, Liverpool is right there in the title race by 1 point with 9 games to go. So decide what you want. The Liverpool of last year would have probably lost a lot of those games that we drew this season and be 5 or 6 points off the lead. You can go and talk right about now. The Maverick, right now, as a Liverpool fan, me a clap, clap. A clap, me a clap, clap. See them clapping, clap. You don't want to clapping, clap. No, clapping, clap. Clapping, clap, 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 clap.